Ma'am, question, Didi, Monideepa here. Question. Didi, আপনারা একটা jointly চিঠি লিখেছেন to Sonia Gandhi on Father's stand demanding the release of the other people arrested.
সোনিয়া গান্ধী তো জয়েন্ট চিঠি লিখিনি, সোনিয়াজি আমরা সবাই মিলে লিখেছি।
No, সবাই মিলে প্রেসিডেন্টকে।
আমরা কিছু প্রেসিডেন্টকে লিখেছি।
So what do you want? You want all those other people in the Bhima Koregaon case also released?
I think they are being victimized because of some particular political reason. I think they should be released, and whoever is the aged persons, like this man Stan, how he died. Even really it is most unfortunate that he has not got the food in a proper time, or he died because of this pathetic situation. So we feel that the people who are above 60 years or the 65 years who are in jail, they should be released because of this pandemic situation and all this. And that was also very brutal and very atrocities incident.
Okay. Thank you.
On the, I just like to add one thing. On the previous question, I think Honorable Chief Minister read out our debt GDP ratio. The debt GDP ratio of the central government, with regard to managing the maturity question that you raised, their debt GDP ratio is 62.22%. As Honorable Chief Minister read out. Ours is 35.54% debt GDP ratio. Now, in the coming year, that is 2021-22, we'll be able to maintain 35.47% debt GDP ratio after repayments and servicing the debt. Whereas central government will have a debt GDP ratio of 60.91%, 61% debt GDP ratio. They are not able to manage their debts. But we have managed our debt successfully, and I think many states have come and said, your GDP, debt GDP ratio consistently, you have maintained at the low level and bringing it down further. We'd like to understand how you do it. So I'm proud to say that servicing of the debt is reflected in the debt GDP ratio management, which Honorable Chief Minister gave you the data. 35.47 West Bengal, all India, this is 2021-22, projected 35.47% West Bengal, and Government of India 60.91%, almost double. That is their incapacity to manage that.
They have destroyed the economic situation. They have destroyed the economy of this country.
Absolutely.
They have destroyed even the unemployment is increased like sky high. They are not doing anything, even not for the Kishans, not for the laborers, not for the employers. They are not, only they are doing something for the party. Threatening the people, threatening the journalists, threatening the politicians, arresting the people, and deputing the agencies for public purpose. And nothing is there. They cannot control the economy. They cannot control the situation of this country. They can only control themselves and the agencies. They're the master of the controller, what you can say.
मैम, एक मेरा सवाल ये है कि इस वक्त देश में अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट एक बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा है, गरीबी भी है और बहुत सारी जगहों पर हाहाकार है, लेकिन जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है वो बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा है। बंगाल में क्या कुछ खास है अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए, और राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर नेशनली आप लोग क्या करना चाहती हैं इस दिशा में?
मैं एक ही बात में कहनी चाहूंगी कि हमारा बंगाल में जो देश में बहुत सारे एम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ गया, बंगाल में हमारा गरीबी 40% कम हो गया है। इसमें आपको अंदाजा होना चाहिए, अगर एम्प्लॉयमेंट नहीं होता तो कैसे होता। I think the press conference is over now.
Yes.
Please take care, the weather is not good. So don't be outside now. Stay there. Stay safe. হ্যাঁ, আর হাইলাইটস গুলো ডিস্ট্রিবিউট করে দেবে। বাবরে বাবরে বাবরে।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাডাম, ঠিক আছে।
থ্যাংক ইউ অমিত দা, এটা আমরা শেষ করে দিচ্ছি। আর
Okay.
তোমাদের খাবার আছে, এসো, কিন্তু এটা প্রেসকে দেখিও না, পরে
Thank you.
এসো বৃষ্টি কমে গেলে।
Thank you.